Hey everyone, it's QA Friday. Get ready for our weekly QA session where I'll be answering all your burning questions. So let's start from the first question. In what way does Eontribe support bloggers in reaching a wider audience? That's a great question. Eontribe is a platform that offers opportunity for bloggers from around the world to grow and develop, regardless of their popularity. It allows bloggers to promote themselves to several countries through advanced artificial intelligence search algorithms. Unlike other social networks, Eontribe's search engine is not popularity-based. Therefore, it can help new bloggers to reach wider audience and connect with people interested in their niche. Let's move to the next question. How does Eontribe facilitate educational content creation and engagement? That's a great question. Eontribe offers a groundbreaking approach to learning. With our platform, teachers, trainers, gurus, and other trust seekers can effortlessly generate and sell certificates of their time, receiving instant payment to their crypto wallet. Our advanced search algorithm also ensure that trust seekers are matched with students. Okay, let's move to the next question. In what way does Eontribe support influencers in monetizing their expertise? Eontribe understands the value of influencer expertise and offers multiple monetization channels, from exclusive content subscriptions and virtual events to partnerships and sponsorship opportunities. Our platform provides influencers with a wide range of income streams. Eontribe transparent revenue sharing model ensures that influencers are fairly compensated for their unique contributions. And the last question for today. How can Eontribe help influencers and gurus to connect with their followers more effectively? That's a great question. Eontribe prioritizes genuine connection between influencers and their followers through personalized content feeds, direct messaging, and interactive sessions. Influencers can cultivate closer relationships with their audience. Eontribe's emphasis on community-building features and phases creates an environment where influencers and gurus can truly connect, share insights, and engage meaningfully with their followers. That's all question for today. See you next Friday.